Alright, so I've got a shoot tomorrow in South Korea. It's a commercial shoot for an NDA client, so I can't mention their name, but I can show you guys the gear I'm gonna take. Now, yes, this is a commercial shoot, but it's shot in a very editorial style, organic style, documentary style. And so, I'm gonna get down the ground here and I'll show you exactly what I'm taking for this shoot. So first of all, I use this Billingham backpack just because it's small enough to not usually get checked out, and I'm a big guy that looks small on me, but it holds quite a bit. It's a very old backpack by them, but I really like it. It doesn't scream camera bag. Anyway, so for this is a different one because I'm kind of shooting with two camera systems for this one because I'm testing out the possibility. I've talked to the client already about maybe using my Leica system for my shoots for them in the future, so we're gonna see how that goes. So for that, I am taking my Leica M11. I've got my Leica 51.4. I'll use this probably most of the time, or about equal time with my Leica 35.1.4. And then I also have a Voigtlander 75. I just dig this lens, quite affordable for what it is. And so that just fits in here. That's half of it. And the other half of the kit, I also have EVF2, just in case I need it for critical focus on a commercial shoot, a little more important, but I feel very confident focusing with this manual focus system. But I also travel in case I need for this shoot, without giving away too many details, I also need a autofocus camera, and so I travel with a Sony A1, and I also need a quiet camera sometimes. Anyway, this camera can kind of do it all autofocus, and I'm taking three lenses. I'm taking the all G Master, taking the 51.2, the 85.1.4. I don't take lens caps, my team packed them for me, but I don't need lens caps, I never travel with them. And then the 35.1.4. So that all fits snugly in here. Oh, if I need one long lens, I also have this, my Leica 135 f4. Rarely used, but kind of cool, just in case. And then it all fits in this backpack really nicely. I'll kind of show you from the top, but fits in here. Can't carry a laptop in here, but it's comfortable. And in the top, it also has this extra little pack here, zipper pocket. And this is just where I keep my batteries. I just keep these in these little Bolton Craft pouches. So I've got my batteries separated for my Leica and batteries for my Sony. Extra memory cards. On the sides, I have a cleaning kit. I also travel with one of these little, just in case I need it. I just travel with a little aperture portable LED light, just in case. Comes in handy. Don't need it always, but when I do, it's nice to have it. Anyway, that's it. All fits in here for a commercial photography kit. This isn't, sometimes travel with more lighting, a ton of stuff, but for this type of shoot for this client, because it's more editorial or documentary style, it all fits snugly in here. Lens caps, we don't need them. Anyway, that's my kit for this upcoming shoot in South Korea. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, something I forgot here. I also picked this up recently. It is the Sony, I don't even know the name of it, the Sony RX100 6. And this is my scouting camera for commercial shoots because it just has like a nice little zoom there, little pocketable camera. It's actually like a pocketable camera that you can put in your pocket, but I love this for scouting. Sometimes I don't want to take all my gear when I'm traveling around, and just to get some sample shots, so show the client, get some references for myself to review the night before. Anyway, it's a great little pocketable camera just to have with you and just to always have a camera on you. Sony RX100 6.